tell you something about pancreatic cancer. Like any other part of the body which is not immune to cancer, pancreas also is not immune. Pancreatic cancer is a known condition, and of late we are seeing more and more of pancreatic cancer. Why people get pancreatic cancer, we do not know, but certain group of patients who are chronic smokers or chronic alcoholics have a more chance of getting pancreatic cancer. How do the patients manifest? In other words, what symptoms do they come with? One is jaundice, and this jaundice will be generally intense with very thick yellow urine and thick yellow eyes, and also they have itching, intense itching. Jaundice with itching, one should suspect obstructive jaundice, and a part of that obstructive jaundice can be due to cancer. So any jaundice should not be ignored. A patient with jaundice, whatever type, whether it is due to hepatitis A, E, B or C, should definitely see an allopathic doctor, because he will be able to make out what is the cause of cancer. Because when many patients have their own treatment or some native treatment, they will not be able to make out this cancer. Because if this cancer is caught early, it is treatable. If it is caught late, it will not be. So how was that we diagnose? Blood tests do not generally confirm pancreatic cancer. You require what is called either a CT scan or an MRI scan with MRCP. And again, some of the cancers which will come into the jet into the intestine, the duodenum, can be reached through an endoscope and biopsied for confirmation. But again, the cancers with the pancreatic head don't require a biopsy, because imaging, namely the CT scans and MRIs, will confirm that is a cancer in the pancreas. Now, in addition to confirming the location and the size of the cancer, the scans will also tell us whether they have involved any neighboring blood vessels or any other neighboring structures will make it inoperable. They also tell us whether the cancer has spread to the liver or the lungs. So once we have confirmed that patient has got pancreatic cancer and it's very much localized with a small size and not involving any neighboring structures and not spread anywhere, the patients can be offered surgery. In other words, by surgery we remove that part of the cancer with the head of the pancreas, which is a fairly major surgery called Whipple's operation. This operation is a very morbid operation, has got its own complications, but after about 2 weeks stay in the hospital and these patients recover and become all right, they are more or less cured of their disease. So pancreatic cancer, if caught early through surgery, is curable. Certain other patients who have local infiltration and cannot be cured surgically, what we do is through an endoscope we pass a plastic stent or a tube into the bile duct, which will clear the jaundice and itching. So they will have a comfortable life for whatever duration they are going to live after the diagnosis. The third group of patients who have disseminated pancreatic cancer to the liver, to the lungs and so on, in them we subject them to what is called chemotherapy, which are certain drugs which will try control their disease and improve their survival. So in effect, cancer can affect the pancreas. It will manifested by jaundice, itching and pain abdomen and loss of appetite, and it is diagnosed by a CT or MRI scan. Sometimes biopsy may become necessary, and the ones who have very localized disease, we operate, resect and cure them. And for the ones whose disease is spread, either we do what is called a stenting or we give them chemotherapy for some better quality of life. Thank you.